Hello, this is Earl Mallory with Glory Mortgage. Welcome once again to Mortgage U. We know that buying a house can be an exciting time. You've gone out looking, you found your dream home, you've applied for the mortgage, you've been approved for it, but now, how long will it take to close? That's the magical question that we hope to answer today. So let's start out with the most important thing that you have to do. That is getting pre approved. Getting pre approved is important for a couple of reasons. First, it allows you to understand what you qualify for and gives you better bargaining power when you go to make an offer on a home. But it sets up the lender and allows them to be able to go over your credit report, your income, and your assets and your liabilities to make sure that you're going to qualify for the programs that they have to offer. The next step would be to work with a reputable real estate agent to help you find your dream home and to sign a purchase contract. Once signed, you give the lender the contract along with any other conditions that you can satisfy according to your pre approval letter. The next step is to open escrow. This is where you would put money in good faith. This tells the seller that you are a serious and qualified buyer and you're willing to risk your funds. The fourth step to the closing process is when the lender orders an appraisal and the title work on the property. This information tells the lender if the house is a good risk. Is it worth what you're willing to pay? Is the title clear? Or, in other words, is there any liens against the home outside of the seller's mortgage? This could take a couple of weeks, and this is probably the longest part of the process. The fifth step is to clear any outstanding conditions. At this point, to get it clear to close, you may have to provide some straggling documentation. Sometimes in the review of the documents that you provided, i.e., your pay stubs, your W 2s, or verification of employment, there may be issues. So stay in touch with your loan officer and provide them with whatever they need as soon as possible. Now, the last and final step of the closing process is to actually close your loan. Once you have the clear to close, then you're free to close on the home and take ownership of the property. It's always worth asking the lender what their turnaround time is, especially in today's market. Some lenders do move much faster than others. So if you have a closing date that's 30 to 45 days, you want to make sure that your lender can work within those parameters. And sometimes it also depends on how quickly that you respond to the needs that they have. I hope this is helpful. Once again, this is Earl Mallory with Glory Mortgage. Thanks again for watching Mortgage U.